my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price change occurs in a Bittorrent. What's the high price, what's the current price, and what is the current stages of Bittorrent in cryptocurrencies markets, and that is the best time to buy, sell or hold Bittorrent. And this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest urgent video notifications. Please subscribe now. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is the live price predictions of the last one day of the Bittorrent. And as you can see here, the change and the Bittorrent in the last one day as negative 4.55% change occurred in the Bittorrent, and the last one day same like that the high price of Bittorrent as $0.009404 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last one day, friends. That is the last one day price change occur in the Bittorrent you are watching now, friends. As you can see now on the chart analysis of the Bittorrent, the last one day period of Bittorrent as a continuously falls of Bittorrent. As you can see here, now at this time they are also in the falling mode. So for more details, now let's see the last 1 hour. That's the current price of the Bittorrent. What's the current change occur in the Bittorrent? You can see now on the screen, friends. That is the live price predictions of the last 1 hour of that time live price change occur in the Bittorrent you are watching now, friends. As you can see here, the change occur in the last 1 hour in the Bittorrent as negative 0.8% change occur in the Bittorrent, and same like that the high price of Bittorrent as about $0.008787 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, friends. If we look the chart analysis, so as I told you, it's a continuously falls occurs in the Bittorrent. Bittorrent falls down, and now they are also in the falling mode. As I showed you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour, 1 day price predictions, and now it is the last 1 hour price prediction they are also show you. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. I'm only suggest for you that it's the best for you or not. I'm only suggest for you. So friends, my suggestion for all Bittorrent holders, I'm also a holder of Bittorrent. That's as you know, the funding of the Bittorrent are start from a previous last one day. So my suggestion for you to please don't afraid by this funding of the Bittorrent. Maybe they goes upward in the future, or what's we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, because it depends on your luck. If you are lucky, they goes up. If you are unlucky, they falls down. We can't say about something about a Bittorrent as they're moving upward as they falls down. But that's only my suggestion for you to please hold your Bittorrent coin. Maybe they falls upward. Maybe the big explosion of the Bittorrent are coming soon after 12 April, after 15 April. So wait for it and be patient. Hold your Bittorrent coin. What's your opinion about Bittorrent coin? Please share in the comment box. That's your opinion is very important for me. And also subscribe my channel for more urgent videos notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.